your rod into a 3,000-degree hole unprotected, you're not the only one at risk.
So Doug, you're saying this was hot in your butt? It's a little warm in this area.
You've just joined us. We're putting a dinosaur bone on the hood of a car.
It's a weird day, man. We're going all Jurassic.
We get paid to propel down a cliff.
Here we have a beautiful example of what exactly it takes if you want to be a paleontologist.
Just gotta work hard and don't mind getting dirty.
That's right. He said it better than I did.
Are you eating the rocks? You're trying to bite the clay to see if it's creamy.
If it kind of creams in your mouth, and it's claystone.
Dirty Jobs, all new episode Tuesday at 9, only on Discovery.
Okay, that's clay.
Beauty, huh? Dependable. Long-lasting, too.
Yeah, I could really use this Silverado. I'm a big hunter.
Oh, what do you hunt?
Deer, fish. Fantastic.
This holiday,
The longest TD run in franchise history. The score helped give Indianapolis their first win of the season. Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.